responsible for this shit. I'm crazy. Somehow I always switch up on you, but you never see the shit you say you never do. So tell me what's up. Are you in or are you out? Are you here to stay or are you falling back out?
What's good, Morgan? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm giving you a video on how to remove your makeup without facial cleanser and a brush, or if you just on a low budget makeup remover. So this is what we're gonna use. We're gonna use some Dove soap. This is the soap I use all the time for my face and my body because I don't know, it never gives me any issues, so I use this. And we're gonna use this for a moisturizer. For anyone that has had any issues, or you left your bag full of all of your facial cleanser, shampoo, hair stuff at home, like I did, then this video is for you. So let's get into this video.
Built you up, let you down. For what I done, will come back around. I said I built you up and let you down. For what I done, will come back around. I said I. Built you up, let you down. For what I done, will come back around. I said I built you up and let you down. For what I done, will come back around. I said I.
clean your makeup off of your face on a low budget. If you would like any more videos about makeup or about facial cleansing or whatever, y'all just let me know. Hit that comment and like write your girl something. But yeah, leave a comment and write your girl something. I mean, you never know. And don't forget to rate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post. Thank you, Mo Gang, for watching this video today about removing your makeup. Thank you guys for watching this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Look, let me tell y'all a story. Nope, we're gonna wait for story time. That's gonna be the next video. So stay tuned, and I will tell you guys this crazy ass story. Peace, your eyes. Love y'all. Bye.